Trek with Off Leash Canine Training in Rochester, Syracuse, and Buffalo areas. I have 3.5-year-old mixed breed Ellie with me today. And Ellie is coming in for our 2-week board and train program. Her owner signed her up for a couple things, one of which is she's a big time puller on leash. They would really like to get that under control. She's a super excitable girl, so she also jumps up on them. Guests coming over, gets really excited when somebody comes to the door, all that sort of stuff. So a lot of impulse control things, and just generally installing an off switch in her. So let's just see what Ellie knows and is willing to do for me here on day 1. Ellie, come. Oh, good job. How about sit? Oh my goodness. Down or lay. You know, lay down. Lay. We do know it. Good job. Okay, we know it. Just don't want to stand it. How about place? Oh my goodness. Look at you. Look at you. Good job. All right. So Ellie knows her basics. It's just going to be a matter of getting her to hold them until release. Definitely adding a lot more distractions along the way. So this girl is ready for all of her future adventures. Oh. All right, stay tuned for Ellie's awesome transformation here in the next 2 weeks. You want to get started? Let's go.